In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on the Shein website using Google Chrome. While Shein itself doesn't offer an inbuilt dark mode option, there's a neat way to make this happen through Chrome settings. Let's dive right in and sort this out for you. First, you'll want to head over to the Shein website. You can simply open your browser and type in www.shein.com. This is where we'll begin the process. You'll notice that the website appears in its standard light mode, which might not be ideal if you prefer a darker interface, especially for extended browsing times. Fortunately, there's a workaround using Google Chrome's built-in features. Since Shein doesn't have a native dark mode, we'll need to adjust a setting in Chrome itself. This is easily done by navigating to Chrome's experimental settings. What you'll want to do is open a new tab in your browser and type in the following URL, chrome//flags. This page might look a bit unfamiliar at first, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it. This is Chrome's secret area for users who wish to test out features that are still in development or not widely available yet. Once you're on the Chrome//flags page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click in that search bar and type in dark mode. This will filter the available options and show you the settings related directly to dark mode that you can experiment with. You'll notice an option titled Force Dark Mode for Web Contents. This is the setting we are interested in. Next to this option, there's a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down menu and you'll see that it is set to Default by default. What we need to do is change this setting. Click on it and select Enable from the drop-down options. After selecting Enable, you'll need to restart your browser for the changes to take effect. You can do this by simply closing all your Chrome windows and then opening the browser again. Alternatively, a relaunch button may appear on the flags page itself after you make the change, allowing you to restart Chrome with just a click. Once your browser has restarted, revisit the Shein website. You should see that the website now displays in dark mode, benefiting from Chrome's overarching dark mode control. Congratulations, you've now successfully enabled dark mode for the Shein website, creating a more visually relaxing browsing experience. This trick comes in handy not just for Shein, but for many websites that lack a built-in dark mode. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly customized browsing experience.